In this video, we show you how to fix a PS5 controller that won't connect. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The very first step is to connect the controller directly to your PS5 with a USB cable. Plug it in and then press the PlayStation button. If it still won't connect, try using a different cable that supports data transfer or another high quality USB-C cable. If a different cable doesn't work, the next step is to perform a hard reset on the controller. First, turn off your PS5 completely. If you cannot do it with the controller, just press and hold the power button on the front of your PS5 until you hear 2 beeps. Now look at the back of your controller. You'll see a tiny hole. Inside is the reset button. Use a small tool like a paper clip to press and hold the button inside for about 5 to 10 seconds. After resetting the controller, we're going to repair it in safe mode to ensure a clean connection. With your PS5 still off, press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter safe mode. Now connect your controller to the PS5 using a working USB cable and press the PlayStation button. It should now connect, and from the save mode menu, just select restart PS5 and your controller should remain connected when the console reboots.